Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to clear Firefox search history, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. If you have it pinned to your taskbar, click the Firefox icon there, or find it from your desktop or Start menu and open it. Wait until the main Firefox window is fully loaded, with the address bar across the top and your usual Start page visible. Once Firefox is open, everything we do next will happen inside this window. Now move to the top right corner of Firefox and click the menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines grouped together near the window close button. Click that button once and a drop-down menu will appear with several options such as New Tab and Settings. If you accidentally click outside the menu and it closes, just click the three-line button again to bring it back. From that menu, find and click the option labeled History. It is usually a bit lower in the list, with a small clock icon next to it. When you click History, another small panel opens to the side, showing recent sites and a few more options. You do not need to open any of the individual sites you see there, you just need the history controls at the top of this panel. In that History panel, click the option called Clear Recent History. You may see three dots after it on some versions. When you click Clear Recent History, a new window pops up in the center of Firefox with several settings. If no window appears, check if it opened behind Firefox or was blocked by another program on your screen. At the top of this window, look for the drop-down menu labeled Time Range to Clear. Click that menu, and from the list that appears, choose Everything. This tells Firefox to remove all stored history of that type, not just from the last hour or last day. If you only choose a short time range, older searches will stay, which can confuse people later when old suggestions still appear. Below that, make sure the box for Form and Search History is checked. This option controls the list of search terms and form entries that appear as suggestions when you type in Firefox. If this box is not checked, your search history will not be removed, even if you clear other items. A small detail many people miss is that ticking or unticking this box takes effect as soon as you click Clear. There is no extra save step. Next, look at the other checkboxes in the same window, such as browsing history or cookies. Untick anything you do not want Firefox to delete. For example, if you uncheck cookies, your logins on most sites will stay signed in. If you leave something checked by mistake, Firefox will remove that data as well, which can sign you out of sites or remove cached files, so take a moment to review the list. Once you have the time range set to everything and the options the way you want, click the Clear button at the bottom of the window. The window will close, and Firefox will process the deletion in the background. You will not always see a big message, but the next time you start typing a previous search, those older suggestions that came from your cleared history will no longer appear. Now let us look at deleting just one search instead of everything. Click once in the address bar at the top of Firefox, or in the separate Firefox search bar if you have that visible. The bar will become highlighted, and your typing cursor will blink inside it. This is the same place where you usually type website names or search terms. Start typing part of the search term you want to remove. You only need enough letters for Firefox to show it as a suggestion below the bar. Wait a moment for the drop-down list to appear with one or more suggested searches. If you type the whole term and do not see it, that can mean it was never saved in history or has already been removed. With the list of suggestions open, use the down arrow key on your keyboard to move the highlight onto the search you want to delete. You will see a slight color change or a bar showing which suggestion is selected. Take your time here because Firefox will only remove the entry that is currently highlighted. If you move past it, use the up arrow to go back. When the correct suggestion is highlighted, press the Shift key and the Delete key together once. On most keyboards, hold Shift and then tap Delete while still holding Shift. The highlighted search suggestion should disappear immediately from the list. If nothing happens, check that you pressed both keys at the same time and that the suggestion was still highlighted. On some versions of Firefox, you can also remove a suggestion using the small three-dot icon next to it. Move your mouse over the suggestion you want to remove and look for three vertical dots on the right side of that line. Click those three dots, then click the option labeled Remove from History. The suggestion will vanish from the list, and that exact search will no longer show up next time. After that, we will set Firefox to clear history automatically when you close it. Open the three-line menu in the top right again, the same way you did earlier. From that menu, click Settings, which opens a new tab with many Firefox options. You will see several sections listed on the left, such as General and Privacy and Security. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. The main part of the tab will change to show privacy-related settings. Scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled History. In this section, you will see a checkbox called Clear History when Firefox closes. Tick this checkbox to enable automatic clearing. Firefox will now prepare to remove selected data every time you shut it down, without asking each time. With that ready, click the Settings button next to Clear History when Firefox closes. A window opens showing a list of data types like browsing history and form and search history. Tick the types of information you want Firefox to remove automatically when you close it. If you tick Form and Search History here, your recent searches will be wiped each time you exit Firefox, so you will not have to clear them manually again. You have now cleared your Firefox search history and set up optional automatic cleaning to keep it that way. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.